NotebookLM just dropped something crazy. Turn messy notes into perfect spreadsheets in 20 seconds, completely free. This is going to change everything. Let me show you how. NotebookLM just released data tables and it's free for everyone right now. Here's what this means for you. You know how you take notes from calls or download research papers or save transcripts from meetings, and then you have to spend hours organizing everything into spreadsheets? Yeah, that's over. NotebookLM now does it in seconds. Let me break this down. You upload your messy notes, could be PDFs, could be call transcripts, could be random notes you took, doesn't matter. Then you tell NotebookLM what columns you want, like client name, pain points, budget, next steps, whatever you need. And boom, it creates a perfect spreadsheet with citations so you know exactly where each piece of info came from. And you can export it to Google Sheets with one click. This is insane. But wait, there's more coming up that makes this even better. So NotebookLM also added a bunch of other stuff. They've got studio tools now. You can make infographics, slide decks, mind maps, flashcards, even quizzes, all powered by Gemini 3, which is Google's latest AI model. And it's all connected, so you can turn your research into a table, then turn that table into a presentation, then turn that presentation into a mind map, all in the same tool for free. Now let me show you how this actually works in real business scenarios, because this isn't just cool tech. This saves you hours every single week. First use case, client call notes. Let's say you run the AI Profit Boardroom. You have discovery calls with potential members every day. You take notes on each call, who they are, what problems they have, what AI tools they need. Before, you'd have to manually type all that into a CRM or a spreadsheet. Takes forever. Now upload your call notes to NotebookLM. Tell it to create columns for name, business type, biggest pain point, AI tools they need, follow-up date, done. Perfect CRM table in 20 seconds. Second use case, competitor research. You're growing the AI Profit Boardroom. You need to research other AI communities, what they offer, their pricing, their content strategy. You save a bunch of websites, articles, reviews, upload all of it to NotebookLM. Tell it to make columns for competitor name, price, features, strengths, weaknesses. Boom. Complete competitor analysis grid, ready to go. Third use case, content strategy. You want to compare different AI tools for your community. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all the new stuff. You gather info from reviews, demos, documentation, upload everything to NotebookLM. Ask it to create columns for tool name, best features, use cases, pricing, pros and cons, perfect comparison table. You can turn that into a blog post or a YouTube video or a guide for your members. Fourth use case, project planning. You're launching a new course in the AI Profit Boardroom. You have ideas scattered everywhere. Voice memos, text files, random notes. Upload it all. Tell NotebookLM to organize it into tasks, deadlines, who's responsible, status, instant project tracker, no more Excel drudgery, no more copying and pasting, no more manual organization. This is what AI should do. Save you time so you can focus on growing your business. And speaking of growing your business, if you want to learn more tools like this that actually save you time and automate your workflows, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover every major AI update. We show you exactly how to use these tools to grow your business, not just theory, real automation that works. Link is in the description. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to use this step by step so you can start using it today. First, go to notebooklm.google.com. It's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Just sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, create a new notebook. Click the plus button. Give it a name like AI Profit Boardroom Member Research or whatever you're working on. Now upload your sources. You can upload PDFs, text files, Google Docs, whatever. Let's say you're uploading notes from 3 discovery calls. Just drag and drop them in. NotebookLM will process them. Takes a few seconds. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on Studio in the left panel. You'll see a bunch of options: video overview, mind map, flashcards, quizzes. Scroll down and click data table. Now you tell it what columns you want. Be specific here. The better your prompt, the better your table. So instead of saying create a table, say something like this: create a table with these columns: prospect name, company name, biggest pain point with AI, budget range, tools they currently use, next follow-up action, hit generate, wait like 10 seconds. And there's your table, perfectly organized with citations showing you which note each piece of info came from. If it's not perfect, no problem. Just refine your prompt. Add more columns, change the word in, hit regenerate. It'll create a new version instantly. Once you're happy with it, click export. You can export to Google Sheets or download a CSV, whatever you need, one click and it's done. Now here's a pro tip. You can combine this with the other studio tools. So let's say you made a competitor analysis table. You can then click on create presentation and it'll turn that table into slides, or click create mind map and it will visualize the connections. This is powerful because you're not just organizing data, you're turning it into content, into presentations, into training materials, all from one tool. Another pro tip, the more specific your prompt, the better your results. Don't just say create a table about clients, say create a table with columns for client name, industry, number of employees, current AI tools used, biggest challenge with AI implementation, budget for AI solutions, decision maker name, next steps. Be detailed. NotebookLM can handle it. And one more thing, you can iterate fast. If your first table isn't perfect, just regenerate it. Try different column names, try different ways of organizing the data. You're not stuck with the first version. This is why this tool is so good. It's flexible, it learns what you want, and it gets better the more you use it. Now, let me tell you why this is actually game-changing. Not just cool, game-changing. First, time savings. I used to spend hours every week organizing research, client notes, competitor analysis, content ideas. All of it had to be manually organized. Now it takes minutes. That's hours back in my week. Hours I can spend on actual work, on creating content, on helping clients, on growing the business. Second, accuracy. NotebookLM shows you citations, so you know exactly where each piece of data came from. You're not guessing, you're not misremembering, everything is sourced. This is huge for client work or research projects or anything where accuracy matters. Third, it's perfect for content creation. You can use this for YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media content. Let's say you're running a faceless YouTube channel about AI tools. You research 10 different tools, upload all your research to NotebookLM, create a comparison table, then use that table as the foundation for your script. Everything is organized, everything is accurate. You just turn the table into talking points. This works for the AI Profit Boardroom too. You can organize member questions into tables, turn those into content ideas, create courses based on what people actually need. It's all data-driven, all organized, all automated, and it's free. That's the crazy part. Now it's free. Google is giving this away, and you need to use it. Before we wrap up, if you want the complete process for using tools like this, SOPs for every use case, and over 100 AI automation strategies, you need to join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. People are using these exact tools to automate their businesses, to save time, to grow faster. And you can see exactly how they're doing it. Real examples, real results, no fluff. So here's what you need to do right now. Go to notebooklm.google.com, create your first notebook, upload some notes or research you've been putting off organizing, create a data table, see how fast it is, then come back and comment below what you created. What kind of table did you make? How much time did it save you? What are you going to use this for? Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more AI updates like this, and I'll see you in the next one.